Today we're going to be building the LEGO Creator 3-in-1 alt build of the retro camera set 31147. This is the camcorder build of that set. I already built the retro camera and I wanted to build the camcorder as well. Anyway, let's get it open and put it together. So we finished the camcorder. Again, this is the LEGO Creator 3-in-1 set 31134, the retro camera alt build. This is the camcorder from that build. I believe this is the smallest of the three builds, at least in terms of piece count in the manual. And as you can see, there are quite a few pieces left over for this set. This set also does not utilize the strap from the original retro camera set. But the design, again, is pretty cool. I mean, you have the viewfinder back here, and then you open up the side to reveal the video part of the camcorder to see as you're recording, and this closes in. And then, of course, there's the lens in the front, similar to the retro camera, which is a pretty cool effect. Since this is the smallest of the three, obviously this didn't take me very long, and I'm going to guess it's probably 100 or maybe 120 pieces overall. But it was pretty fun to put together. I think it's a nice alternative build. I mean, again, most of these 3-in-1 sets, that's one of the cool things about these 3-in-1 sets is that, you know, you can build similar sets and even choose to build one or the other, and even all, aside from the main build. The other alt build for this set is the 3-in-1 television. And again, one of the cool things about Lego 3-in-1 creator sets and Lego in general is that, you know, you can take these apart and build all three of them, and, you know, all three of them will assemble, you know, correctly, and the pieces will snap together again, which is one of the benefits of Lego, in that, you know, the pieces and the sturdiness of the set are pretty top quality. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click like and subscribe. And again, I appreciate your support.